And this isn't Mummy, no. This is the standing heartbeat puppy. So that Mum can have a rest in her own little bed. She loves this little bed. It's actually a pet carrier, and it's all fabric, and it was dead cheap on Amazon. And there we go, it's focused now. And it's exactly the size of a pillow. Yeah, she loves it. She really loves it. It's like her own little. So she's chilling out now. Her own little cave, her own little. She likes it. So that is Mummy. That is Mummy. And where is Daddy gone? Where's Daddy? I need my specs on. Can't see anything without my specs. Daddy's over there. Daddy's over there. So I'll try and zoom in on Daddy. There is Daddy. Yeah, there's Daddy. And there is Rosie, who desperately wants to be a mummy. Yes, you do, don't you? We might even try. We might throw away the Durex next month. Never thought we'd say that. Well, yeah, we might. We've been trying all this time to make sure you didn't get pregnant. So we might actually let you have a go. Might be a bit late though, because Rosie. How old is Rosie? How old are you, Rosie? You are you're 6. Yeah, you're 6. So it might be a bit late, but we'll see. Yeah, she says, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Please let me in. Let me in and see the puppies. I'm desperate to see the puppies. But Mum says, absolutely flipping not. She'll pinch one. She'll pinch my babies. Her haircut isn't very glamorous. She's not the best at being groomed. So, hey, Rosie, she's telling you to back off. Telling you back off. Lily Bob, she's only looking at the babies. She's only looking at your beautiful babies. Yeah, she's saying back off. They're my babies. They're my babies. And just look at those babies. Have you ever seen babies as beautiful as that? I don't think I have. We're looking at your babies. Let's look at the babies again. Let's look at those babies. Wow. I know. You're having baby dreams. Baby dreams. They have luxury accommodation. They've got a heat lamp, which was a big success. And they have a heated blanket that's underneath the puppy bed. Underneath there, somewhere. And the temperature is currently 22, which when they're first born, they're supposed to be kept at between 29 and 32. But Lily can't stand it, can you? No, it's too blooming hot. Right, better go to bed. Another late one. Well, 1:30 in the morning is not too bad for me. Okay, night night.